Right, now here is an absolutely brilliant spot for photography because this is the castle entrance. Like I said, I'll put the detail up. It's an absolutely belting pub down there called the Castle. Fothergill's bar and restaurant, cafe, whatever down there as well, but we'll pass them in a minute. I'll just show you what I've got here. This is using the mobile again on this one. Now down to the Robin Hood statue. From Nottingham, but still never knew what these statues were. Too bright for that one anyway to get a photo. Yeah, here's Fothergill's, lovely place. And this is, I think this is the oldest building in Nottingham if I remember rightly. Down here you'll see in a minute some townhouses, absolutely beautiful, and somebody's they have been done up a few years ago, very expensive. There, these townhouses. I won't film because they're private, so. Right, this was one of our regular spots when I used to go out properly drinking. Supposedly one of the oldest pubs in England, but in Nottingham you got the Bell and the Salutation both saying that. So yeah, it's nice inside, goes right inside the cave. So worth a look. Now, yes, haircut finally. We're just going to head down to the canal. I'll get a shot down there, I'll show you, which is from the bridge, but then I'm going to cut off and then I'll come back to you nearer Hockley because I'm going to pop in and see a friend of mine who runs a coffee shop in the train station. So I'll see you shortly. Irish Centre, many a drunken night in there. And then you've got Navigation, which is, well, we used to be a cracker pub, I don't know what it's like nowadays, but we're going to turn left in. And this, years ago, used to be Borries, my old workplace. And Jongley's upstairs. That was a few years ago to say that. Waterfront shut down. That used to be packed, that did. And Via Fossa. And you've got the canal house just there, which is open. That's a nice place. And then you've got Fellows, Morton and Clayton next to it. So I don't know if that's a bar anymore, or if it's just flats, most probably flats. But you had 1, 2, 3 and 4 pubs here, plus then you're into Nottingham itself. So yeah, we're wondering what that will be now. Now, just left here, we'll get to this bridge and you'll see what I mean with the photo of the boats and everything down here, especially on a day like today. There we are. And this is the photo. Walk right down to Trent Bridge following the canal down here as well, so let's get you a quick photo. It's New Broadmarsh bus station, car park, and that cracking sound is the tram coming over my head. Been run over, won't be the first time. Unfortunately, we've still got the eyesore as a former Broadmarsh shopping centre, because that used to be the bus station, now car park and bus station. But hopefully they're going to be doing something with it. There are plans for flats, homes and all sorts, I don't know, but it's been going on for years and it'll be there for years yet. So anyway, crack on. Here we are, modern Nottingham Contemporary, that was it. And this is Lace Market, which was, well, centre of the world's lace trade, to be honest with you. No, it's all flats and bars and pubs. Anyway, let's crack on. pretty, ain't it? It's one of the most beautiful churches I've seen, and it just happened to be in the city I grew up in. It's well worth a visit though. They have all sorts of events on, not just usual services and that. Like I say, as far as I can see, it is, from what I remember, it's actually bigger than the cathedral itself, so, because that's the main diocese church, so. But yeah, it's well worth a look in. Bit blinding, but there we go. Now this will take you down on Stony Street and we'll walk past my old college, Adams building, which was the biggest, I think it was the biggest lace factory at the time, actually, in Nottingham. But yeah, so I studied tailoring and fashion, so never used it, but yeah, there we go. Anyway, crack up. Most of these are flats and pubs. Now there are some businesses, and there's a college just here, as well as the main college down the road. But absolutely beautiful buildings. Love this area. And then we'll go through here. We're not going through it all, just turn left and up and down the hill, finish on Market Square. That just down there where that building is, it's the Angel. You've got the Hockley, which is now called the Gay Quarter. Don't know why, but I don't know if there's any gay bars here, but yeah. But yeah, it's worth a try. Right, that at the bottom there, that's the National Ice Centre, but it's also the arena for concerts, Panthers games and that. And just there is Nocky. It's an absolutely banging restaurant. It's well worth a visit if you do come into Nottingham. Well, I don't look like I'm going to get much of a photo because they're having deliveries or whatever else. But this is the Adams building coming. This is the Angel Inn. It's microbrewery, obviously, it says, but it's also all sorts of different street art. You'll find it all over Nottingham, but there's some around there, some down this walkway which takes you onto the main street. It's mainly a rock pub, but it's fucking absolutely brilliant place. But yeah, well worth visiting. Been meaning to try that place actually.
Can I get any cheese?
Sorry, look, I don't have any on me. Erlindall, a lot of history in this one. Funnily enough, mate, mine runs it. See if we can grab a phone. Yeah, this is some of the expensive shops. Got the Flying Horse Walk down here, some cracking shops. Can't remember what, I think it's Vivian Westwood, don't know if the shop's still there. You've got 200 Degrees Coffee, which is nice, but they have got Nottingham Cheese Shop. Oh, it's that sex in a building. Close as I get just later. But yeah, you got your whiskey shop here, loads on. But yeah, this is the old council house, Little Ben, which is the bell itself. We've got the beach on at the moment, so we won't film too much there, so I don't know if it's open or not. But yeah, we'll see if we can get a photo of up on the clock anyway. Oh, there's Brian Clough's statue. Can't get a photo of it, people are sitting on it. But yeah, this is on every year. They also have Winter Wonderland or whatever. But yeah, there's Little Ben. And that's it, so